Hello, and welcome to English with Ali and Ahmed, the podcast for Arabic speakers learning English. Today, we are talking about our daily routine, what we do every day. Ahmed, what time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m., but I don't get up immediately. Me neither. I stay in bed for 10 minutes, I check my phone, then I get up. What's the first thing you do when you get up? First, I take a shower. Then I get dressed. Yes, me too. I take a shower and get dressed for work. Do you eat breakfast at home? Yes, I always eat breakfast. Usually toast and coffee. What about you? I eat breakfast with my family. We eat cheese and bread. That's nice. Then you go to work. Yes, I go to work at 8 a.m. I drive my car. I go to work by bus. I start work at 9 a.m. I start work at 8:30 a.m. My day is long. What time do you finish work? I finish work at 5 p.m. Then I go home. What do you do in the evening? I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. That's very nice. What time do you eat dinner? We eat at 7 p.m. After dinner, I watch TV or read. At 11 p.m., I go to bed. 11 p.m. is a good time. I try to go to bed early, but sometimes I watch movies late. A bad routine. You are tired in the morning. Yes, I am. Let's review the new words for our daily routine. The first word is wake up. What does wake up mean? Wake up means to stop sleeping, your eyes open. But you are still in bed. Then you get up. Yes, get up means to leave your bed. Next, take a shower. Take a shower means to wash your body standing under water. And get dressed. Get dressed means to put your clothes on. Then you eat breakfast. Eat breakfast is to have your first meal of the day. After that, you go to work. Go to work means to travel to the place where you do your job. And you start work. Start work means to begin your job for the day. At 5 p.m., you finish work. Finish work means to stop your job for the day. In the evening, you eat dinner. Eat dinner is to have your main meal in the evening. And finally, you go to bed. Go to bed means to go to your bed to sleep. That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening. Join us next time. Next time, we will talk about jobs and school. What do you do? Cheers, everyone. Goodbye.